Alright, so we are going to be looking at the summary of the first couple sections in this chapter, and what they involve is finding the sum, difference, product, or quotient of integers that may or may not have the same sign and different values. So what we're working with in A here is we've got negative 17 plus negative 7. And so we notice a key thing here is that they both have the same sign. They are both negative. And since we don't want to subtract, we want to add. If we have two numbers with the same sign, we simply add the values together, the absolute values together. So 17 plus 7 is 24. And we keep the common sign, which in this case is negative, so our answer is negative 24. In B, we are subtracting. Well, we recall that we do not want to subtract. I don't want to go subtracting. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to turn this into an addition problem. Instead of subtracting, we want to add the opposite. So instead of 7 minus 13, I'm going to have 7 plus a negative 13. So now we are adding, and we notice that our numbers have two different signs. This is a positive 7 and a negative 13. And we recall that when we have numbers with two different signs, we subtract the easy way. So 13 minus 7 is 6. And we keep the sign of the larger absolute value. In this case, the larger absolute value is 13. So we will keep the negative. So that's a negative 6. In C, we are going to be finding the product. And we recall that same sign for these, product and quotient, same sign is positive. Different sign is negative. So in our example here, we've got negative 6 times negative 8, highlighting the signs. They're both negative. So we know that up here that's going to be same sign. So we know our answer is going to be positive. So we simply multiply. 6 times 8 is 48. And they have the same sign, so they're positive. Positive 48 is our answer. In D, we have negative 12 divided by 3. Different signs. So we know that this is going to be this case right here. So our answer is going to be negative. And we've got 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4, so we end up with a negative 4 as our answer. So if you keep in mind that we're doing the same process with addition and subtraction, we always want to add, and if we have the same sign for multiplication and division, it's positive. Same sign is positive. Different signs are negative for multiplication and division.